Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Unit 1, Learning Together, Poem 1. Point to try again. King Bruce of Scotland flung himself down in a lonely mood to think. 'Tis true he was monarch and wore a crown, but his heart was beginning to sing. For he had been trying to do a great deal to make his people glad. He had tried and tried, but couldn't succeed, and so he became quite sad. He flung himself down in low despair, as grieved as man could be, and after a while he pondered there. "I'll give it all up," said he. Now just at that moment a spider dropped, with its silken, filmy cloak, and the king, in the midst of his thinking, stopped to see what the spider would do. 'Twas a long way up to the ceiling dome, and it hung by a rope so fine, that how it would get to its cobweb home, King Bruce could not divine. It soon began to cling and crawl straight up with strong endeavor, but down it came with a slippery sprawl, as near to the ground as ever. Up it ran, not a second to stay, to utter the least complaint, till it fell still lower, and there it lay, a little dizzy and faint. Its head grew steady, again it went, and travelled a half-yard higher. 'Twas a delicate tread it had to tread, and a road where its feet would tire. Again it fell and swung below, but again it quickly mounted, till up and down, now fast, now slow, 9 brave attempts were counted. "Sure," cried the king, "that foolish thing will strive no more to climb, when it toils so hard to reach and cling, and tumbles every time." But up the insect went once more. "Ah me, 'tis an anxious minute, he's only a foot from his cobweb door, or say, will he lose or win it?" Steadily, steadily, inch by inch, higher and higher he got, and a bold little run at the very last pinch put him into his native cot. "Bravo, bravo!" the king cried out, "all honor to those who try. The spider up there, defeat despair, he conquered, and why shouldn't I?" And Bruce of Scotland braced his mind, and gossips tell the tale, that he tried once more as he tried before, and that time did not fail. Eliza Cook. Thanks for watching.